Everyone, today we're going to show you how to set up your Turtle Beach Stealth 500 headset, whether you're using it on Xbox, PlayStation, PC, or even Nintendo Switch. We'll walk you through everything step by step so you can get it working smoothly on any device. First off, it's important to know that there are two versions of the Stealth 500, one for Xbox and one for PlayStation. Both can be used with a PC, but how they connect is a little different, so it's good to know which one you have before you start. If you're on Xbox, here's what to do. Plug the wireless USB dongle into one of the USB ports on your console. Power on the headset, and most of the time, it'll pair automatically with the transmitter. If it doesn't connect right away, just press and hold the power button until the LED starts flashing. That means it's in pairing mode. Once it connects, you're ready to go. You can also connect it to your phone or tablet using Bluetooth. Just hold the Bluetooth button until it enters pairing mode, then connect it through your device's Bluetooth settings. Now, if you're using a PlayStation, plug the USB transmitter into the console and turn on the headset. It should auto pair, just like the Xbox version. Once that's done, you're all set. One great thing about the PlayStation version is that it also works with PC and Nintendo Switch using the same dongle, which makes it super convenient if you switch between devices. If you're connecting to a PC or another device and you have the PlayStation version, just plug in the dongle, turn on the headset, and it should work immediately. For the Xbox version, Bluetooth is your best option for connecting to phones, tablets, or laptops. This flexibility makes the Stealth 500 a versatile headset for all your gaming and media needs. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, your Turtle Beach Stealth 500 headset is ready to use on any device. Make sure to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Happy tech using.